Rachel, since the day you were born, I have loved you and cared for you and guided you and protected you. But now it's time for me to leave the pitch and take a seat on the terraces. But I promise for the rest of my life and for the life beyond that I will love you, I will protect you, and I will provide for you, just one step removed. You two have a wonderful example in your two sets of parents who, between them, have been married for some 70 years. There will be times, but the sunlit uplands will come back into focus. Alex has many virtues. He's kind, considerate, thoughtful, protective. We have much in common, not least the love and devotion to the same woman. I can think of no other mortal that I would rather entrust something so special to. And I am proud to call you my son-in-law.
He's not perfect. You aren't either. The two of you will never be perfect. But if he can make you laugh at least once, cause you to think twice, and if he admits to being human and making mistakes, hold on to him and give him the most you can. He isn't going to quote poetry. He's not thinking about you every moment. Don't hurt him, don't change him, and don't expect for more than he can give. Don't analyze. Smile when he makes you happy, yell when he makes you mad, and miss him when he's not there. Love hard when there is love to be had, because perfect guys don't exist, but there's always one perfect guy that is for you.
Alex William Bassett voluntarily enter into the union of marriage with Rachel Jane Nurse.
I do.
Well practiced, and we know you were going to say that because you've been patiently waiting. Do you, Rachel Jane Nurse, voluntarily enter into the union of marriage with Alex William Bassett?
I do.
Excellent. Two good ones there. Rachel, I promise to love you without reservation.
Rachel, I promise to love you without reservation.
To comfort you in times of distress.
To comfort you in times of distress.
And to encourage you in all of your endeavours.
And to encourage you in all of your endeavours.
I promise to laugh with you.
I promise to laugh with you.
To cry with you.
To cry with you.
And to grow with you in mind and spirit.
To grow with you in mind and spirit.
I promise to be open and honest with you.
I promise to be open and honest with you.
And to cherish you as long as we both live.
And to cherish you for as long as we both live.
I promise to love you without reservation.
Alex, I promise to love you without reservation.
To comfort you in times of distress.
To comfort you in times of distress.
And to encourage you in all of your endeavours.
And to encourage you in all of your endeavours.
I promise to laugh with you.
I promise to laugh with you.
To cry with you.
To cry with you.
And to grow with you in mind and spirit.
And to grow with you in mind and spirit.
I promise to be open and honest with you.
I promise to be open and honest with you.
And to cherish you for as long as we both live.
and to cherish you for as long as we both live.
Rachel can confirm this, but I'm never soppy, and I rarely express my own emotion, even to my own detriment. But on a day like today, in front of a packed room of friends and family, I thought, what better place to start? Rachel, you look truly stunning today. You're the most caring and thoughtful person I know. We have, in what is really a short space of time, experienced many good things, but also some bad. No matter what has come up, you've always been there, by my side, providing comfort and love, even when I was tough to be around. You always know how to say the right thing and give the answers I need. Words can never express how thankful I am. The future is unknown, but I look forward to continuing our adventure together. I know that as long as you're next to me, we can overcome whatever gets thrown at us. I am forever humbled and eternally grateful that you chose to spend the rest of your life with me.